Welcome back to my channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a simple, flexible and a adaptable strategy for any market condition, and I will be sharing the secrets with you guys in the video. So in today's strategy, for the indicators we're going to use Vortex, fractal and parabolic SAR. Oh, we're gonna add a moving average also, okay, to give us more clarity of the direction. So for moving average is gonna be 20 red. No, we're gonna use white, sorry. For parabolic it's gonna be 0.003, 0.027. For the color we're gonna put it in light blue, thicken the lines, right. For the vortex, sorry guys for that noise, guys are working outside. For the vortex we're gonna use 17. We're not gonna change colors, just thicken the lines, and great, we're gonna find our first trade and then I'm gonna start explaining to you guys. So guys, this is a very nice opportunity right here, because as you could see the vortex has been crossed, right, and we are above the parabolic SAR. The fractal have gave us a signal which is very strong, and we are above the moving average. Guys, this strategy gives a 88% win rate. It's so good. I love this strategy. It's very reliable. So let's wait for this candle to close. And guys, it's very crucial to know that while trading, try to keep a very cool head, right? Don't be stressed out or anything. Do not go on the chart if you're stressed. Make sure that you're very comfortable, and this trade is a win. Beautiful. Let's find our next trade. All right, beautiful guys. As you could see right here, the main signal is the vortex, guys, and as you see the vortex are very wide, so that's the reason why I ignore this parabolic right here, okay, because we are above the moving average, okay, and we have the fractal down below also, and as you see the parabolic starts to form. That's why I'm telling you guys, experience in this financial market is very crucial, and that's why if you guys reach out to me on Telegram, I could give you the secrets of all this strategy and the secret money management also, okay guys, which could increase your money in pocket option and make you retire from your job. Okay, if you really want to retire, just check my Telegram down below in the description and reach out to me, and we'll talk about a strategy which I will give for free, no cost. You guys, this is a very nice opportunity right here. As you can see, we are below the moving average and we are below the parabolic SAR. Mainly the vortex green line is down at the bottom, meaning it's strong buying pressure. When the green line is above the red line, it's strong buying pressure, and when it's below, it's strong selling pressure. Sorry about my speech previously. Yeah, so yes guys, so the secret of this strategy really guys is that we always need the parabolic and the moving average to cross together, okay, ensure that it's crossed and the candles are below them and the vortex is in the same direction, okay. It's very crucial guys. to follow these rules to be successful in this strategy. Let's find our next opportunity. Beautiful, beautiful. As you can see, we have a gap up right there, so we're going in the direction of the gap. Plus, we have signals from all the indicators. Vortex cross gone higher. Parabolic is below the candles, and the moving average is supporting the price, guys. See how strong this is? This is super, super strong, guys. This is one of the moments I really love about this strategy, when we have a gap starting the signal. That's a next secret about this strategy. So guys, I just shared two secrets about this strategy. This strategy is very accurate, very, very good. So you guys, if you're liking what you're seeing and you're getting value from this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So let's wait for this trade to close right here. It's so, so good. All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's look for our next trade. Beautiful. As you guys could see, this is a strong, strong selling signal right here, because the vortex is crossed. The parabolic SAR are above. They are almost crossing the moving average, and this was the main secret of this strategy, guys. Always ensure that the moving average and the parabolic crosses together if you want the highest win rate. But if you're okay with like 88% win rate, it doesn't have to be crossed. But if you want like a 98% win rate, yes, when the line crosses with the parabolic, is super, super strong, as you guys are seeing right now on the chart live right now. Pay attention, it's very strong. I want you guys to watch over this video and recap all the points, and then click the link in the description and create a free demo account and go and practice the strategy. Okay, make sure you do that, guys. It's very crucial to practice. Let's find our next trade. Okay, great. This is a very unique one right here. This one is I would say this signal is medium, but we might win it anyway, because we're having a lot of confluences on this signal, right? Because we're still below the parabolic, and we're still below the moving average, right? Plus vortex is crossing at the same time. So there's just so much reasons, guys. I don't think we could lose this trade, right? I'm very, very, very confident in this trade particularly. This trade is so beautiful, so stress-free, you know. I like simple and easy strategies, because that's the only way to be profitable, by doing things simple. Let's find our next trade. Beautiful, beautiful. So my people, if you want to see more indicator strategy, could you guys please let me know in the comment down below. If you guys want to see more price action or candlestick psychology, just let me know in the comment. Feel free to share what you want to see and what you want me to explain more about, and I will do that for you guys, because I'm here to make you guys be better in binary option. So let's wait for this trade to close. As you guys could see how strong the signal is, pay attention, guys, to when I enter the trade. It's so, so crucial to pay attention. Watch over the video if you didn't get it properly. It's that simple. Beautiful, beautiful win right here. So let's find our next trade. right here. This trade is so nice. As you guys could see, the vortex has been crossed and the parabolic SAR is above the candle and the support line is supporting the price. And we have 6 more seconds, and this trade is gonna be a winning trade. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. And we're gonna take one final trade, and that will be it for the session. I think I want to continue trade right here. 406. I see a very good potential for the price to continue go downward. Okay, I could see the tendency of the market. I'm reading the market. Guys, I want you to understand that you can feel the market in your blood if you really, really study this thing, man. And that's why I told you guys, if you create a free demo account and pocket option, practice the strategy to the T and make sure that you're doing the right thing. Okay? Don't just jump into the read. Practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Okay? And we have 7 seconds. This trade is a little nerve-wracking. Come on, come on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that will be it for the session, guys. This strategy is so good. Create an account and pocket option and practice this strategy, guys. Check the description down below and get your free demo account right now. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.